What is good, YouTube? It's your boy BigJSeanDon back in another video, and today I got another vlog for your boys. Cheese! But yeah, man, today, man, I'm gonna show you guys what I eat on a typical day. Right now it is currently, I will show you the time, but yeah, it's currently 1:13 in the afternoon. There you guys go, right there. Hopefully you guys see that. Pretty sure you guys see that shit. But yeah, man, 1:13 in the afternoon. It's January 19th, if you guys are wondering. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I typically eat. Not really a breakfast, but like just a meal, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't really eat breakfast. I just skip out breakfast, you know what I mean? But it's kind of like breakfast. But yeah, since it's the first meal. But yeah, man, it's 1 o'clock right now. I just went to the gym. I just wrapped up. I went to the gym around 11:30. Did cardio, fasted cardio, Stairmaster, then worked on abs a little bit. So yeah, man, that's why I'm sweaty as fuck right now. I just barely got home. But yeah, man, I'll show you guys what I eat. But yeah, I don't know why I did that shit. But yeah, guys, thumbnail. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I eat on a typical day, and yeah, let's get started. So what you're gonna need is turkey bacon. I use Oscar Mayer, specifically this one right here. Yeah, so 4 slices of turkey bacon. You're gonna need some large eggs. I'm gonna use 6, so 6 eggs, and you're also gonna need some Ezekiel bread, 2 slices of that, and also 1 avocado. But yeah, man, gonna make some eggs, some basically avocado toast, and it's gonna be really fire. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like. Let's go. For the eggs, I also use spinach, but I don't have spinach right now, you know, like when I cook my scrambled eggs. So just gonna use eggs. Yeah, so large eggs. I'm gonna use 6 of these, 4 egg whites and 2 whole eggs. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to split the egg whites from the yolk. So yeah, let's get it started. Alright guys, so basically split the yolk. It's pretty simple. Grab the egg right here, crack it, using the bowl, by the way. Yeah, so you just scrap it, crack it like this, split it like that. Hopefully the camera's focusing. But yeah, man, you just keep doing this until you get most of the egg whites separated from the yolk. So yeah, you just keep playing this game where you go back and forth and basically catch the yolk from the other shell. And yeah, you just keep doing this until you get as much egg whites separated as possible. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna do this for 4 eggs. Alright guys, so once you get your 4 egg whites, it should look like this right here, end result. And now you're going to use 2 whole eggs. So you just grab 2 of these. Here's the first one. So that's 1. Second one. And that's 2. So yeah, guys, 2 eggs, 2 whole eggs down there, and 4 egg whites. But yeah, guys, after that step, you have your end result right here, your bowl. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, guys, it's pretty much the part where I have the spinach here, but I don't have spinach today, so just grab your pan, cooking tray, and yeah, spray the pan, you know, and yeah, so usually I have the spinach right there, but we're gonna spinach, and grab the eggs. So yeah guys, you just grab the eggs and then bomb away. Alright you guys, so basically all you have to do now is just keep watching the eggs. Here, I have it on level 4, probably like medium to almost high heat. And you just stir it up like this. Just keep stirring it, just keep moving it around. Let this thick as you can. And yeah, you basically just keep doing this until it's cooked. So yeah. As you guys can see, the eggs are cooking really quickly, especially on this type of level of heat. So just keep stirring it, keep stirring, you know what I mean? And yeah, just keep going until it gets cooked. Alright you guys, so your end result should look like this. Once you see your eggs looking like this, pretty much ready to go. And yeah, just put it on a plate and then we'll get on to the next step. Alright you guys, so the eggs are now transferred onto the plate right here. I sprayed some more cooking oil over here, the ham spray. So now we're gonna use the turkey bacon and yeah, let's do this. Alright you guys, now we got 4 slices of turkey bacon cooking right here on the pan. And yeah, look at that movie. Never go wrong with bacon. And yeah man, turkey bacon, more healthier option than regular bacon, so trying to get lean, trying to get shredded this summer. So yeah man, this is basically what I eat. But yeah guys, I'll catch you guys when it's done. I don't know about you guys, but sound of bacon sizzling on the pan, most beautiful fucking sight over here. So yeah man, turkey bacon getting cooked, so you guys can see. And yeah, so for the Ezekiel bread, I'm gonna show you guys a life hack if you guys don't have a toaster, or if you just don't want to use a toaster and you just want to use a pan. I'll show you guys how to do it using the pan. It's pretty simple, and yeah, I'll show you guys how to do it without a toaster. Also you guys, for the eggs, for the seasoning, and for the avocado basically, I will use everything bagel seasoning right here, so you guys can see all the stuff that it contains. And yeah man, it's 0 calories. Yeah, basically zero calories and very low in sodium. And yeah man, it's a dope seasoning to use on your eggs and toast. Alright you guys, so the 4 slices of turkey bacon is done. It's already on the plate right here. Here's the 5th one. I'm making 5 today because there was 5 in total left in the package that I currently had open. I already have a new package inside, but yeah man, might as well just cook it so I can throw away the package. So yeah guys, 5 slices of turkey bacon today. Gains. Alright you guys, so basically if you don't have a toaster, or you just don't want to use a toaster, life hack right here. So you grab your frozen bread, Ezekiel bread right here, go in the hot pan, and since it's frozen, it has a little bit of water in there. We'll use that as moisture, whatever, and toast. Keep it at like a low to like level 2 heat. Yeah, pretty much toast it like probably like a minute per side. Do it for like, yeah, probably like 2.5 minutes in total. And yeah, I'll show you guys the end result. But yeah man, look at that. Now we got some toast. See, life hack guys, you gotta think outside the box. Alright you guys, so everything's all done. Here's how the end results look like. Now I just gotta do the avocado. So alright you guys, I'm gonna do this real quick because my fucking camera is about to die. So yeah, you just grab your avocado right here and just cut it in half. This one should be good. Alright you guys, so basically I'm in a rush right now. So yeah, man, this is how your end result should look like. Got your eggs right here, avocado right here, avocado, toast, and 5 slices of turkey bacon. End results right there. Now all you have to do is season it with some everything bacon. So yeah, guys, sriracha is key. And here's your end result right here. Let's make this more presentable. There you go. Tell me, guys, doesn't that look fire? You got your eggs, your avocado, your toast, and your turkey bacon. It's pretty low carbs. The only carbs you're getting is from this right here, actually, but it's only it's pretty low in carbs. It's eco bread. It has protein in there too. So yeah, and yeah, it's pretty much high in protein. You got your fats right here, healthy fats, and this has 0 calories. It's just sodium in it and low sodium too. So yeah, more flavor. And don't forget everything bagel seasoning. Now the main crucial step that you need is your boy right here, sriracha. And yes, I love this stuff. So just drizzle it generously. I do a lot, so yes, you just drizzle it like this, and yeah, should be good to go. Yeah, man, I'm just doing this for you guys. Pretty much your end. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. Links down below in the description. So yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed, like this video. Once again, if you're new, subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you guys onto the next video.